Hey guys, what's up? So let's have a quick conversation here. So currently, I've taught over about 670 or 700 plus students on freelancing, Upwork, and the rest of that, right? And one particular flawed trait I keep saying when people come into this program or purchase my HPF program and come into it is that they are just looking for a particular winning template, and that is a really flawed decision. And you're not really going to go far with it if you are thinking like that or if you are always taking out a particular template. And here's why. So first of all, if you get a winning template, it must have been tested by someone, right? Written out by someone, tested by the person to get it to you. And now you're getting that template and other people are trying it, right? So now everyone is using that template to write proposals and submit to people on LinkedIn, people on Upwork, and the rest of that. And now the more people who increase using that, maybe some people even share it to their friends, and the rest of that. The more people who use that, the more the same style of messaging and the same style of copywriting and the same style of pitching is getting to clients, right? So some clients, at some point, if they're constantly posting open jobs on Upwork, they might be getting 2 to 3 of that and the rest of that, right? And now you are seeing that it's getting less efficient as time goes on because more people are using it. It's having less of the intended effects. That's just how it is. Templates don't last forever, right? That's one part. This is why when you see some copywriters, they start out good, they get jobs and the rest of that, and like 2 to 3 months in, they're actually looking for jobs because it's difficult for them to actually do all of these things, and they didn't learn how to create their own templates. They just learn how to copy and paste or take inspiration from a template. Now, as opposed to what you could better be doing is actually learning how to do your own, how to create your own templates. Learn why a template works. Once you've learned why that template works, you understand the psychology behind it, you understand why it's framed like that, you understand why the person started with whatever they started, and you can easily switch up and make yours in case in the event of something stops working. Or you actually be able to create your own, test it, see it working, and be using that to scale your own business as a freelancer going up. So what I'm trying to say, and just recapping again, is that you want to make sure that you are focusing on working templates. You want to make sure you're focusing on why templates work, so you can be able to create your own at any day and time, and the rest of that. And if you want to understand how what makes the templates work, it's usually one of these things. Number one, the open, which is basically the psychology behind it. Why is it so nice? Number two, the length of it. It's usually short or long. Why was it performed like that? You actually look into that. Number three, making sure that you don't sound like a bot or you don't sound like a robot or you don't sound like it's always something you're always using. It's not specified. It's just like you're applying to one job and you're saying the same thing over and over again. You're not tailoring. Let's say you're applying to a copywriting job for a cosmetic brand, and you want to apply to another copywriting job for a poultry brand, and you're not changing the in-between words there and the rest of that. You want to make sure you do not sound like a robot or you do not sound like you're just using a template script, because that's one of the fastest way to get rejection and to get booted out. And these are the things that boil down when some of the things that actually come into play when you are trying to understand what makes a winning template. So this is actually what you should be focusing on now, and I hope this helps you. So see you in another video.